Click, watch, and earn. The easy 3 simple step strategy that I'm going to show you that you can use to make $3 watching videos in 1 minute. This is going to be an easy step-by-step strategy. Simply click, watch, and earn. I do want to give you a quick disclaimer is that you won't get rich doing this strategy, but it's a great way to get some extra cash. You may earn anywhere between an extra $5 and $30 a day. It's not going to pay you hundreds, it's not going to pay you thousands of dollars a month. But you can use money earned from this strategy to reinvest into something sustainable, such as ads or drop servicing or forex markets or stock markets or e-commerce, whatever. There's so many different things that you can go and invest into. If you're watching this video, the chances are is that you're watching a lot of videos every single day. Well, now I've got a strategy for you in today's video where you can actually go and earn from these videos and make money watching them. So you can watch videos off your phone or your PC. You just need a browser and this video to know which websites to access. I'm also going to show you some of my earnings proof from this. I'm going to log onto my dashboard and show you the videos I've watched and then revenue that I've earned. And there's a total of 3 websites that we can actually go and earn on watching videos. So we can not only use 1, 2, we can go and use all 3 of them to 3 times our earning with the strategy. And I want to set a little goal for today's video. Let's try and get 500 likes on this video, because at the end of today's video, I'm going to be doing a crazy $400 course giveaway at the end. So make sure to watch this video until the end to make sure that you don't miss that. And maybe at the end of tomorrow's video, I'll have a $1,000 course giveaway to give away to anybody watching my videos. That's every single one of you that clicks on my videos, follows the instructions. You can get this course completely for free. It's all about e-commerce and selling high-ticket skills online without actually doing that work yourself. It's a really simple but profitable concept. So make sure to watch until the end of this video and make sure you subscribe down below to see more about that in tomorrow's video and the giveaway at today's video. Like I said to you, you're most likely watching a lot of videos online, whether it's education videos, how-to videos, whatever it may be. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually make money doing this. $3 per video, most likely anywhere between $5 and $20 a day, even sometimes $30 a day if you watch extra videos. The first website that we're going to go and visit is this website over here. You may have heard of this before, but take a look at this. You can get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about, and each interaction just takes about a few minutes, that's 2 to 3 minutes, and is worth up to $3. Plus you can unlock exclusive offers that pay even more. Most videos are anywhere between 30 and 45 seconds over here. So this is a 3 simple step on this first website. Make sure to keep watching so that you don't miss the second and the third website. Simple, watch a video, receive a text when it's time to log in and watch a short video, handpicked just for you. Earn a minimum of 50 cents up to $3 per video interaction, make more money. So every person that you refer to this, you earn $1 for every friend that you refer. So I'm not using the affiliate program for this. You can just come over straight to adwallet.com and go and use this. I'm not going to refer you and make money off of you. You can go and try this and try and make money yourself. When you reach $10 on the cash out point, you'll be able to withdraw your first $10. I mean, that's really not quick. I mean, if you're earning between 50 cents and $3 per video, let's take an average of $1.50. That's plus minus 8 to 10 videos that you need to watch in order to get your $10 cash out. It's really easy, doesn't take long. This website has paid out a total of $1.103 million to every single person in the last 12 months that has been watching videos on this website. So this website really does pay. It's really easy to get paid. You can get paid via MasterCard or e-gift cards, that's PayPal gift card or Amazon gift card. MasterCard is direct to your card or direct to your bank account. They also do have PayPal for those that have PayPal accounts. In order to go and get started with this, you just need to come over to Google and go and search Adwallet APK. This is for the Android users. I'm just going to show you how to go and get the application for iOS users. You will see over here, you've got Adwallet for Android APK download on apkpure.com. All you're going to do is you're going to go and download the APK application over here, go and install this on your Android device. And if you have a look here, you can redeem your rewards in the following. I'm just going to open up this picture so you can go and see. You can add a bank account, add a PayPal account, gift card, or if you want to, you can donate all your earnings that you've watched from your videos to charity. So this specific person earned $12 watching videos, really not that hard. And all they did was watch maybe between 10 and 12 videos at 50 cents to $3 each. What we're going to do is once you've got your account and the Adwallet app over here, and you've signed in with your Adwallet account, they will send you an SMS every time you need to watch a video or a specific video that they've chosen for you. And from there, you watch that video and you go and get paid. Come back to adwallet.com, just go click on see how in 45 seconds. They will have a step-by-step tutorial for you on how to watch videos, how to get started. So the home screen of your app will look like this. You just click on let's go and it will give you a whole list of videos that you can go and watch. So you can just go and play this YouTube video. It's about 1 minute 18 and it will teach you how to go and get paid on this application watching videos. In order to go and create your account, you just come over to sign up on the top right. It will have a form where you enter your name, email, confirmation of your email and your password, just all that's the personal information that they need in order to create your account like most websites, and then you'll be ready to go and earn with this website. Secondly, you can come over to a website called boxingstyle.com. This website also pays really well and honestly I think pays better than adwallet.com, but why not go and use both? So you will get paid every 10 seconds from a 10-second video that you watch. You will get paid for just browsing advertisers' websites and you can cash out instantly once you've hit the target of $2. If you take a look at this, you will earn anywhere between 10 cents to $1 per video that you watch. So to get the minimum payout of $2, although it's a lot less per video, but the videos are a lot shorter, you need to just get $2 to go and get paid, which is really quickly. I mean, if you come over to register on the top right, you just click on the top right here, it will take you to the registration page. You just need to enter your login email, confirmation email, your payment method, PayPal, AdVcash, Perfect Money. You can also go and get paid via crypto. That's one thing I really like about this website. You can literally earn free crypto while watching videos. ATM and Payeer over here, I would use Coinbase or crypto, and you just go and create yourself a wallet on Coinbase.com. Here we go, Coinbase. So you can create a free crypto wallet and this website will then send you cryptocurrency to your wallet over here, which you can withdraw to your local currency or hold in Bitcoin, as over the years Bitcoin goes up in price. So who knows, maybe you collect $100 from Boxingstyle.com through crypto, and 2 years down the line, that $100 is now $400. So technically you've made $100 watching videos and then $400 on a cryptocurrency investment. So you can see with the strategy, especially when it pays out in crypto, how your money makes money for itself. Another epic trick to make more money from these websites that I recommend, especially Boxingstyle and Adwallet, is go and install an application over here called Setup VPN. You can just come over to Google and search Setup VPN Chrome extension. Click on enter. It'll be the first link here, lifetime free VPN, and you just go and add this to Chrome. I've already added it. That's why mine says remove. Once you're on boxingstyle.com, click on the VPN. You want to go and look for United States. So that means these websites will pick up that you're from the United States, and mostly, especially these viewing websites where you watch videos to get paid, they give users from first world countries the best videos that pay the most, because those are the countries where companies want to advertise. So a lot of people are going to be, so most people from top tier countries such as United States, maybe Sweden, Canada, United Kingdom, etc. will get better videos than places like Singapore or India or South Africa, where I'm from. So that's what I really recommend. If you're from a third world country, is go and use a VPN and connect to first world countries to get better videos and overall better pay from the strategy. Thirdly, we can go and use a website called 2tv.com. Again, another website that I've tried to pick out for you guys that pays in cryptocurrency. So this, you can not only go and watch on your phone and your iOS device, you can also go and watch this on your TVs. LG, Samsung TV supported, and you will get paid in just cryptocurrency in this website. So over here, you just go and watch a few videos, lean back and enjoy favorites of content from thousands of creators, and you will collect rewards and receive cryptocurrency payouts. And you can also speed up your earnings by completing extra tasks. So all you do is you're going to come over to this website, you click on for example, if you're on an iOS device, iOS, and you need to go and download the iOS application over here. So here you can see this is what it looks like. You will get a whole bunch of videos that looks like YouTube videos. You've got Dude Perfect, Marcus Brownlee, Unbox Therapy, and you just click on these videos, you will get a certain amount of points. Once you watch these videos to the max, you will collect points that looks like this. How many videos you've watched, boosted points, and over here you can request a payout and just send that to your cryptocurrency wallet. Again, Coinbase.com. So especially with the strategy, I recommend go and create a cryptocurrency wallet like Coinbase so that you can get paid from Boxingstyle over here and 2tv.com. Now quickly before you go, I want to show you guys something crazy that I've been doing for the last while. I've spoken about this quite a bit on my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to emphasize on this an extra bit, especially now that you know how to go and earn some extra money with 2tv.com, Boxingstyle, and Adwallet.com. Over here is the dashboard of one of my drop servicing stores where I sell the service of web development and mobile app development, which is just services that I outsource through professionals on Fiverr at a really low price, and I keep up all the markup as the man in the middle. So I created a funnel and I want to show you some results from this funnel. Over here, I've had a total of $45,000 in total revenue. It's $44,000 net profit and a total of over 424 sales and only one refund. So my sales ratio to refund ratio has been really good, because that means people are really happy with my service. That's why it's super important to make sure that you select the right services and the best service providers on Fiverr.com to outsource these kind of services. And I've been averaging anywhere between $5,000 and $6,000 a month, some low months, some high months, some low months. So it really fluctuates, but it's a really decent and steady stream of income. For example, what I will go and do is I will go and create a really professional looking corporate website that looks like this. You can see this is a business example that I've used, and I offer 3 different packages. Web basic website, which is 1 domain, 7-page modern design, fully responsive, social media integration, social media marketing included, website security, and basic designs. For a standard website, for a business or e-commerce website, 1 domain, 10+ pages, fully responsive, social media, etc. And then a premium website design at 10,000 Rand once off, which is about $700. 1 domain, 15 pages, fully responsive with premium designs. And all I will go and do is I'll come over to Fiverr.com over here, come over to the Fiverr freelance website, just come over to web dev or web development. We can go and click on web developer. Okay, click on search. And here you can see, let me just click away here. Here you can see, for example, I will go and look for someone that has a really large amount of reviews with a decent price and with really good comments as well. So for example, let's go and look at this guy over here. I like the look of his page. He's got over 5 stars, 69 reviews. That's a decent amount of orders. And he has 3 different packages. He's got basic, standard, and premium. And notice the pricing. Basic, 450 Rand. I've marked that up all the way to 4,000 Rand, which is about $300. If I just convert this to USD, just to give you an idea, let's put this in USD. There we go, $30, $120, and $170. So for the basic package, which is this package over here, and then I've got standard, which is standard here, and then I've got premium, which is premium here. Each of these I've marked up to at least 500% markup. And all I do is when I get an order, and this page you can run ads, all sorts of free traffic, all sorts of free trials to hook in people. You can give people coupons. There's a lot of way to hook in traffic to your website. When people go and order this page and order their website, I come over to Fiverr.com, place this order here, let these people design my website, transfer this work from Fiverr to my clients, and I've kept well over 400% in my pocket for literally doing nothing. I didn't need to design the website. I just outsourced that through another professional. And it's always a good idea to go and make sure that they've got some orders in queue, meaning people are ordering from them currently. 5 stars, only choose from level 2 or higher. 43 reviews, just go and read through all of these reviews, have a look at what people say. Super easy to work with, very understanding, develop websites 10 out of 10, so that's really good. Fast worker, able to complete the project within the time. So all of this is happy 5-star responses. So this is a good person to go and outsource your work from. So this is just to give you an idea of how I've been drop servicing these high ticket services off of Fiverr.com for well over 400 to 500% markup. I've recently created an updated and new version of the Drop Servicing University, which is an entire 50-day program that goes through exactly how I create my drop servicing agencies. Over here, I've got a 7-minute free training on some of my stores, a brief review of what's inside the course. I'm very transparent about everything. I show you exactly what's inside the course. The price is currently at $397, but I'm going to give you a 90% coupon just for you guys watching this video. So if you've watched this video till the end, well done. You are going to get this course for just $29. So if you go down below to the first link in the description, there's a coupon just next to the link. Make sure to go and enter that on the checkout over here. If I click on checkout, you will see a coupon page once you've entered this information, the student info, and you will get over $350 off from this course. There's just some more information over here. You can look at some reviews on people that I've messages that I've got from people doing this. And I've got a very detailed case study of bonuses that you get in this course. And then further down, Okay, no, it's not on this page. In this video, I actually show you each and every module that's in this video. So if you want to come over to this page, this is the first link in the description with a coupon code next to the link that you can go and enter on the checkout to go and claim this for just $29. So what I recommend is go down below to the first link in the description, and I'll see you over there.